Hello everyone. The parliament will be extending its fourth term to deal with the highly anticipated independent panel report on the PhalaPhala farm allegations. Political parties unanimously agreed to debate the report on 6 December at a meeting of the National Assembly's Program Committee. This follows a 2-week extension granted by National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula for the panel to conclude its work. The panel is probing impeachment allegations against President Cyril Ramaphosa in light of claims of a cover-up of a robbery at his Limpopo farm in February 2020. Opposition parties have been quite adamant that the Section 89 Independent Panel report be debated before the House rises for the year. The parliamentary term will now be extended by a few days to do so. Much to the approval of party whips across the board, the DA said it's important that this matter is wrapped up before Parliament rises, particularly the Section 89 report, and the IFP said we also welcome the 6th of December as being set aside to deal with this matter. But the EFF said they cautioned that the report might require further actions beyond the proposed recess date. Floyd Shivambu said, let's have the consideration. What are the possible recommendations that can come out of the report so that we do not go to a recess without having exhausted some of the key issues that might arise out of the report. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.